If you will not follow these very important construction details at the time of construction, then no matter how much money you spend on your house interiors, your house is going to look cheap and unfinished. In today's video, I'm going to discuss those very relevant points with you all. So let's start. Let's start with something that we all notice. TV wires running on wall like this, they look very awful. So no matter how wonderful TV unit design or panel you have created on wall, if the wires are exposed like this, it is going to give a very cheap and unfinished look. So how you can conceal it? See, if your TV unit has been made and there is no way you can hide these wires, then you can use cable management raceways to conceal these wires, and you can paint these raceways with the same color of the wall or same color of the panel, so it will give a neat look than this. But if you're at the stage of interior construction, then what you can do, you can plan all the requirements, whatever you are going to place on your TV unit, like your sound bars, DVR, whatever, frame those requirements and then provide a proper plug point. You can have your socket over here for the TV, then all the socket for all the DVRs or set-top box, and you can have your switch here like this, or you can conceal this switch in any of the cabinets. See, totally depend on your design, but at the time of your interior design stage, plan all the requirements of your TV unit and then make a TV panel considering all the electrical points in mind. Another very important point is the placement of AC indoor unit and outdoor unit. See, the copper piping is done at the stage of false ceiling and the AC drain pipe is done at the stage of floor tiling. And if you ignore this at the time of interior construction stage, then what is going to happen? Entire interior work is done and then you will realize you have forgotten to place your AC drain pipe or copper piping, and then it is going to be exposed like this, and you must have seen water dripping from the AC drain pipe in the balcony or in the washroom. It happens because of the unplanned situation. And also at the stage of wiring, when you plan your wiring for AC, the socket should not be like this, otherwise at the time of plug point it is going to be visible, the wire is going to be visible. Try to put it somewhere behind it, here or where it is not visible from the naked eyes. So plan it at the time of interior construction, otherwise when the interior is done, because of these copper piping or drain pipe, your interior is going to look cheap and ordinary. If your walls have crack or uneven paints or wallpaper peeling off like this, it instantly cheapens the look. Use high quality wall putty primer before painting. Also, if you're using wallpaper, ensure the wall is completely smooth or imperfections will show through over time. Also, make sure there is no seepage, waterproofing has been done properly so that the wallpaper or paint sustains over a longer period of time. Ever walked into a house and noticed the gap between tiles or uneven flooring? This happens when the floor isn't leveled properly before installation of tiles or marbles or whatever material you are using on the top. You have to create a perfect base before the installation of tiles. Otherwise, you will hear the hollow sound while walking, the tile is chipping off, or there is level difference or unevenness between the two tile junctions. Now that looks very odd and very cheap. Also, maintain the alignment. See, if you're using wooden tile or any plank you are using on floor, try to maintain the alignment. Always make the alignment proper to give it a very rich look. Also, at the application of your tile skirting, flush the surface of the skirting with the wall and don't forget to add a groove here to avoid the cracks. It gives your space a clean modern look and also prevent the dirt from accumulating along the edges. A beautiful bathroom can look bad if water starts pooling in the corners or anywhere in the washroom. Always ensure the flooring has proper slope towards the drain and don't skip waterproofing. This prevents leak and damp patches in future. Also, in spite of using normal drain, use tile insert for drain to give it a premium look. And while making a floor drain, don't make it at the bottom of your tap, because once you place your bucket, it's going to be covered and it's going to create a drain issue. Lighting can make or break any space. A good lighting is very important to give a very premium look. So avoid installing all your lighting at the center of your ceiling. Instead, use mix of recessed light, indirect cove lighting, pendant light or wall lamp. And if you're doing false ceiling, don't forget to plan wiring before installation. If you're using magnetic channel lights, insert channel track at the time of POP. If you're using profile lighting, place adapter. So design your lighting at the time of interior construction work. Bad switch placement can ruin your experience. Always plan switchboards at convenient location, near bedside, study tables, kitchen workspaces, wherever. You have to know where you're going to place your furniture and design your electrical socket as per the usage. If you're doing false ceiling, pre-plan hidden lighting points so wire don't have to run externally later. A good interior needs prior designing and proper management. Consider these points at the stage of interior construction work and your design will come out nice. Every room they have their own priorities at the stage of interior construction work. Let me know in the comment section if you want similar kind of video for each spaces.